Alright everybody, I'm back at the van. This is kind of the last of the day, so I just kind of wanted to do a quick test drive and show you guys the last of the exhaust leak issue that we're facing, and obviously you can hear it in the background. Hopefully that's gone tomorrow when Ryan comes and picks her up. So I'm gonna do a quick test drive, get down the block a little bit, and hopefully come back and here we go. Alright everybody, I know I did a kind of precursor to the exhaust thing, so I wanted to wrap that up. It's been about 2 weeks. We did find out it was one of the donuts that was bad, so we had that replaced, as well as both the mufflers were pretty rusted out, and a section of one of the tailpipes was too, so it pretty much looked like Swiss cheese. So this is kind of a wrap-up of what we did and what we had done, and now you can hear it runs a lot quieter, so that's always a good thing. So I'll do another test run, show you guys how calmly, or how quietly she runs now. I mean, as quiet as a 77 Chevy van can run. We need to get definitely need to get the radio fixed on this thing before we take it out, though, just to cut down some of the silence. Nova. Look at the Nova with the bell. valve. Turn around here real quick.